I'm on last bit here now, and I've got a new best friend, Mr. Orbital. That's a 120 pad in there. Oh, and it's feathering it all down like magic. It's warm, this pad, so let's see how it goes. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Andy. Around here, I'm called Captain Spider. We're doing up this Prout catamaran, as you can see, and we're going to go sail around the world. We're not going around once, we're going to go around twice. The catamaran you've just seen there we're doing up is a Prout Quest 31 foot, built in 1984. Right, I'll crack on with the video. So here, watch. Now you see these here? I've done a lot of rubbing down, as you can see, look. Oh, she looks a bit battered, the old girl, doesn't she? Eh? Oh. But we're doing alright, we're cracking on. Best foot forward, look. All of this under here. And all under here. And all the way up there. And then all the way around. Roller. Tip off. Now, I don't know if I've mixed this too thin or not now. Wow, it's going off so fast, that's unreal. It's 8:20 at night. Look. So, this, what I thinned down, has gone off really quickly. But this, what's thick down here, that's still tacky, that is. And then the one next to it has gone off. So we're starting to learn this product. Now here, look what I've done here. So I've mixed up another batch here, because I'd run out. Look. Where to here? I want this to go off overnight, and they're saying, oh, don't be painting this time of night because it might trap moisture in the paint. I'm just trying to get out of Dodge, that's all I'm trying to do. We'll see. It's doing my best. Just keep pushing it forward, that's all I can do, just keep going forward. It's ready when it's ready, I'd say. So it started raining after I did the paint last night. And then look, I don't know if you can see it. There. It's run down. It's hard to see. Bits there. And then that's the bit that I didn't lay off. And that's the bit I laid off and I thinned down. So we're going to rub this down. But I think we got away with it with the rain. Yeah, look. So it's all dried nicely, lovely. And then we've got some bits of filling to do. So here, look. For those who saw me paint the rudders, look. We've had one reaction here. And there, look, this is where the blooms come down, and it's created the bloom now. Do you see it? So we just wash that off with hot soapy water. So the reaction there, and then another reaction here, and then look there, look, you see where the water's come down? And there as well. Is that a reaction? I don't know. So I'm going to wash this off with hot soapy water now. This bloom here, look. So, and then we've still got the bloom here. So I'll wash it all off in one go, and then I'll do the filling. I'll do this filling up there, that bit of filling. And I might as well sand that keel down as well. That bow repair on the blob. And then I noticed here, there, look, a bit of mist there. So you can overfill that, but I'm going to rub that back down again. I'll rub that back down because that's just paint that, and then I'll paint that first, and then at the end of the job we'll give it a second coat. It's wet on wet, they call it. I'm only still going by what the internet tells me. We're getting there slowly. I have a few bits that need filling up here now, so I'm using this stuff here. Ep36 because it's above the waterline. So it's a golf ball size of this, and a pea ball size of hardener. Like a golf ball there to me. And then a pea of hardener. And then we mix it together, don't we? Just keep mixing it until you think it's done. Then you mix it a bit more. So I've just filled these areas here. The filler went off so quick it's unreal. So I filled here, and that's gone off there, that filler. And a little bit there. And it will go in off. That's gone off now. And then it should have been these holes that I should have filled, but I'll get these with the fiberglass, I think. And I've filled little bits here. And then there was this big gouge. Some little bits there. There was this big gouge here on the hole. So that's done. So while that's drying, let's give this a rub down. I've washed all these down, this, with hot soapy water. So I think it reacted a little bit there. And then we had reaction up here somewhere as well. Let's find it. There, look here. You see it? There. So I'm going to get Sander to this now and just see what's happening. So here, this was a big gouge, this was. I think we've got it. That. Gone. Damage has gone. That's just possibly it needs another course. I do not know. Look, we can see a little bit shining through. Here we are. This is how far I've got to now. So we've done all right, I think. We're looking good. Look, I've give this an extra coat here and it's covered it. So I know the gloss will cover that. But I've had a tidy up, all sanding discs are up and everything. And here's so I think we'll just spot prime these. I think we'll just spot prime these and then gloss off for next weekend. This I didn't tip off, I just used the roller on these there. These I've been tipping off, and that's just been the roller. I've used Hamilton Perfection rollers. They're the best for this job. Well, the best what I've been using anyway. Happy days. There you go, gold star. You made it this far. If you like the videos, well, you must have done for getting this far. Give us a like and subscribe. Come on this journey with me. It's going to be interesting. I'll guarantee you that. We're doing the boring bits. We're doing the work. We're doing the hard work. And then when we launch, I think it'll be even harder. But that'll be in the future videos to come. So anyway, next week we are painting the top sides, and we're putting some wooden skis underneath, under the keels. So they're made out of a Roco. I've ordered the windows. We've got new windows coming. I've ordered the through holes. So they're them true design ones. So they'll be. So anyway, I'm going to wind it up for now, and I hope to see you next week. So I'd just like to say ciao, adieu, love you guys. See you on the next one.